What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be adding the rubber band to the knife so it can come back up by itself. So when I push it down, and it can just come up. So I made some cuts right here, which we are just gonna stick the rubber band right in there. You can see. So now I'm also made a cut right here, which we're gonna pull the rubber band and just like that. So now when I push it down, it can come back up. Now we got the cardboard. So what we're gonna do is boom, you move the cardboard like that. So now when we move the cardboard, it's gonna boom. So you got like this nice cut that you can put your hand either way you like it, and bam. That was pretty easy and fast. And once you're done, you can just boom, move the cardboard, bam. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.